Quadcopter use specification: all grade 2 kg, wind range 5 to 7 minutes, range 2 km radius, payload 500 grams, maximum ascent speed 3 meter per second, maximum descent speed 1 meter per second, maximum forward speed 2 meter per second, operation at 200 meter above ground level, launch vertical takeoff, vertical landing, test electricity 2. Record components: motor 4 numbers, ESC 4 numbers, telemetry and GPS 1 number, power distribution board 1 number, transmitter and receiver number, propeller 4 numbers, control board 1 number, battery 1 number, airframe structure 1 number. Here we are seeing the weight estimation of the full vehicle. Here we are using, first of all, using the propulsion system D230, D2830 11,000 kilowatt motor. We are using 4 numbers. The all of it is 208 gram, 208 gram, and counterclockwise propeller 2 numbers and clockwise propeller 2 minutes. Each purpose having 18 gram weight. So our total fabricated weight 250 gram. And then we are using battery, GP combat battery 5000 mAh 3 cell 23 per bag. Battery weight is 360 gram, fabricated weight also 360 gram. Then we are going to see the event system, pizza control board, power distribution board, GPS telemetry for EEC controller, Leonic 30 amps, receiver. All of it is coming around 209 gram design weight, fabricated weight 220 gram. Then we have structure, carbon plate, carbon 4 plate, land skip, miscellaneous parts. Design weight is 460 gram. All fabricated weight is 470 gram. So totally all of it is 1.3 kg. Control system block diagram. Here we are seeing that autopilot control board, receiver is input, the autopilot control board, and telemetry is output, and 4 power output is coming. Is 4 our output for motors, EC1, EC2, EC3, motor 1, motor 2, and GPS is output. Transmitter communication is there. Working principle and system integration. Then what's known in the flight test.